Dear students, welcome to the practical class. Here presenting myself, Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College. First of all, you have to know that you have your practical khata, and in your practical khata, on the front page, index page is given, and nextly, the images of this practical experiment are given on the right side, but no images or no any written documents cannot given in the left side. So students, you have to follow this strictly.
First of all, you have to know about the name of the experiment. Here is the name of the experiment: identification of botanical and agronomical seed. Identification of botanical and agronomical seed. Here, two items is shown in the name of the experiment. One is botanical seed and another is agronomical seed. First of all, you have to know about the principle of this experiment. Here is the principle. Principle is all botanical seeds are included as agronomical, but all agronomical seeds are not botanical. All botanical seeds are included as agronomical, but all agronomical seeds are not botanical. This is the very much important principle of this experiment. Students, you have to write down firstly to start this experiment. Firstly, you have to write down principle of this experiment. At first, on the top side, you have to write down the principle of this experiment. Now, it's time to know about botanical seed. It's time to know about botanical seeds. Here is the definition of botanical seed. Matured and fertile ovule is called botanical seed. Matured and fertile ovule is called botanical seed. Here, from this definition, you can see that two items is considered. One is matured and another is fertile ovule. One is matured and another is fertile ovule. These two items are very much important because infertile ovule is unable to grow plants from soil. Infertile ovule is unable to grow plants. So, to become seeds or botanical seeds, fertile and matured ovule must be needed. So, from this definition, these two items very much important. Now, it's time to know about agronomical seeds. Agronomical seeds. What is the definition of agronomical seeds? The definition is any part of plant. For example, root, leaf, stem, sucker, etc. Any plant part which produce new plant in favorable condition. Any plant part which produce new plant in favorable condition. From this definition, two items is considered. One is plant part, that is root, leaf, stem, sucker, etc. and other is favorable condition. Favorable condition means temperature, humidity. So, humidity must be favorable and temperature also must be favorable to become agronomical seeds, and plant part must be needed. Root is sown in the soil to become agronomical seed and to grow up plants. Leaf and stem also and also sucker must be grown from the soil to become agronomical seed and agronomical plant. So, this definition, from this definition, these two part is very much important. Now, to run out this experiment, you have to write down the working elements. Here are the working elements. Number 1, seed. Number 2, notebook. Number 3, pen. You have to write down your experiment in the notebook and with pen. And seeds also needed because name of the experiment was identification of agronomical and botanical seeds. Here is the images of botanical seeds. In the left side, rice seeds are shown. All of you know about rice seeds and all of you seen about rice seeds. Rice seeds are directly sown in the soil. I told you before, botanical seeds are directly sown in the soil to grow up plant. Rice seeds are directly sown in the soil to grow up plants. In the left side, bean seeds are sown. Bean seeds are also grown from the soil to become plants. And in the middle side, wheat seeds are sown. Wheat seeds are also directly sown in the soil to become plants. So, these images are the examples of botanical seeds. You must know it to run out this experiment. What are the name of botanical seeds, or what are the main identification point of botanical seeds? Now it's time to know about agronomical seeds. Here are some images of agronomical seeds. Here are ginger. To become ginger plant, a part of ginger must be sown in the soil to become ginger plant, to grow up ginger plant. Now in the left side, in the below side is potato seeds are sown. Potato, to become potato plant, a big potato cut down two parts, and one part is sown in the soil with the eye point. One part is potato seeds are sown in soil. So potato is also known as agronomical seed. Here in the right side, rows are sown. All of you know about rose seeds. All of you know about rose seeds, and these rose seeds are known about are grown in the soil to become plant part. Another is banana plant. Banana plant is grown in the soil, and this banana plant also become a plant from plant part. So this is the examples of agronomical seeds. Now it's time to know about procedures and steps of work. Number 1, seeds of rice, bean and potato and stem of banana, rose and ginger are collected. Number 2, these seeds were kept separately. Number 3, seeds were identified and noted down in notebook. Now, what are the precautions are to run out this experiment? The precautions are: number 1, seeds and stems should be collected carefully. Number 2, seeds and stems should be identified attentively. These are the precautions you have to maintain this carefully to run out this experiment. Now it's time to say goodbye, and thanks to all for patience hearing.